How's everyone doing today? Back again with another video for you guys. And today we're going to be doing my unboxing and first impressions of the 1byOne Bluetooth keyboard with integrated trackpad. But first, a little bit backstory before we get into the box. As y'all know, I'm on that quest to get that completely wireless setup. And as a result, I do a lot of research on the internet to try and find truly wireless products, similar to this Office Tech keyboard and mouse combo that I reviewed. Now, this Office Tech keyboard and mouse combo worked perfectly, up until, I want to say, a week ago, where I noticed that it was getting quite dirty in between the keys. I don't know how well you can pick it up on my camera, but I noticed that it gets quite dirty in between the keys. And, I could hear it. Can't really hear it now because I kind of cleaned it out. So, it was very dirty in between the keys, and, you could just hear the dirt inside the keyboard. So I figured, hey, let me take it apart. I'm mechanically sound or technically sound. I've taken stuff apart before. Let me take it apart and clean it and put it back together. So I took it apart. It was actually very quick. Probably no more than 3 to 5 minutes. You just undo some screws, and you pop off the top from the bottom, and there you go. So I took it apart, and it was filthy on the inside. Filthy. So I went about cleaning it out, Then I made sure it was dried out appropriately, and everything looked okay, and I put it back together. Then when I popped the batteries back in after I put it back together, I noticed that it wasn't working. What seems to happen is the battery tray on the back does not seat properly, and when I do get it to seat properly, the lights just flicker. It doesn't really do anything. It flickers for a couple of seconds and then it goes off. So, I took it apart probably 3-4 times, and I kept getting the same result, and I'm like, man, well, maybe I put something back together wrong. Maybe that's what my issue was. So I'm like, oh man. So I took it apart again, and I'm like, yeah. Now when I took it apart the last time, I didn't quite put everything back together quite right. At least I don't think so. There's a lot of rubber plastic pieces in there that go onto I want to say it's a Tex thermal piece of plastic that line up where the key presses are, and I think I mistakenly put some of those plastic pieces in the wrong place, so it doesn't register properly. So, like I've said, I've taken this apart about 3 to 4 times, and I just can't seem to get it put back together right. Now, at that point, I would have sent it back in for warranty, because this Office Tech wireless keyboard and mouse combo comes with 12-month warranty. But during my last take apart, I accidentally ripped this sticker. And if this sticker right here is ripped, it pretty much voids your warranty. So at that point, I kind of got really sad and bye-bye warranty. So, okay, I'll order another one. It was pretty tight. Or maybe I'll go on to my deals video and I'll pick up another one of those keyboards and mouse combos and be on my way. So I went up there and I couldn't really find one at the particular price that I was looking for. And the Office Tech one that I have, the price is a little bit higher than I remembered it being. So I didn't really want to buy another one of those because, if I have to if I have to purchase something else, I'd rather I pick something from the list or bring something new to you guys. But I didn't really like the prices that I was seeing on those keyboards from Adil's videos, which is why I recommend that everyone always check the links accordingly, because although those links still work, the prices do change on a daily basis sometimes. So when you see a good deal, you gotta jump on it. So that being said, now the mouse still works. Everything still works on the mouse. Mouse works fine. So I guess I just got a wireless mouse now. But that being said, my quest for another wireless keyboard and mouse continued. Because again, trying to find that ultimate wireless setup. I already have my USB hub. I'm still looking for the prices to drop on my stick computer, and then I'll have the hub, the wireless keyboard and mouse. Y'all know I got a nice pair of Bluetooth headphones. Spoiler, I got another Bluetooth headphone review coming up soon. I'm almost done with it. I'll be dropping it in probably a few hours after I shoot this video, or maybe I have one more video to shoot after this. So yeah, look out for that video. It's coming soon. So as I said, the quest for the wireless keyboard and mouse to go into my wireless setup continued, because that keyboard broke and my warranty was voided. So that's how I ended up finding this guy, the 1byOne Bluetooth keyboard with integrated trackpad. So, you know, as I said in my deals video, I really am a fan of the keyboard and mouse combo where you don't have this trackpad. But you know what? I was like, I couldn't really find it for a decent price. And I was like, you know what? Let's just go ahead. If we could find a nice integrated one, we can go ahead and use that one. So I did my research. Sorry about that, guys. I bumped the camera. Did my research, and we found this guy here. So let me take this out the plastic real quick. Nothing else in the box aside from the USB cables. Take this box off to the side. We have the keyboard and trackpad itself right here. And what's unique is that this is using Bluetooth, not USB 2.4 gigahertz or anything like that, like the Office Tech keyboard and mouse combo that I used. That was using a USB connection with a 2.4 gigahertz, so similar to the Wi-Fi. This one is using complete Bluetooth, and I believe it's Bluetooth 4.1. So as we crack the plastic, we have a nice little user manual here. Let me go through this real quick. Crack this open. Alright, yeah. Pretty straightforward user manual. So this side, you just have that with some quick little instructions, and it tells you a little bit about the Bluetooth keyboard and trackpad here. So it has Bluetooth 3.0. It has a range of 10 meters or 33 feet. It has 90 days of standby time. It takes 4 hours to charge, and it has a 500 milliamp hour battery in it, and it has a 3-year battery life. Okay. And it supports Android and Windows. No software installation is required. And then you just got some details on the keys, and then you have your steps to pair right there. Get that in the frame. And then on this side, we got some notes and some gestures for the touchpad and things of that, and charging instructions. Pretty good stuff, pretty straightforward stuff. And that's pretty much the user manual. Let me throw that off to the side. Alright, so now let's take a closer look at the keyboard here. Throw this plastic off to the side. And here it is. Alright, so first impressions, it's kind of small. And I'm giving up on my number pad, but we do have keys up top, and you know you can do your shift for the other functions. We have a function key. So I'm giving up on my number pad, but it is what it is. Now, I must say, it feels pretty good. It looks pretty sturdy. As I try to flex it, there's no real flex to it. Flip it over. Nice, nice. And let's see what we have here. Alright, so we got some 3M tape here. I'm thinking that this is to put on the bottom of the keyboard so it doesn't slide around if you have a slippery surface. Alright, so let me flip this back over. So I must say, it actually feels pretty good. Key's got a decent amount of travel to it. It does feel a little bit small. As I have my hands on it, feels a tad bit small, but I'll get used to that. Keep in mind though, it's gonna be a big learning curve, as I had to get used to this, and this is pretty much a full-size keyboard, so this is what I'm used to. So now we gotta step down to something a little bit smaller. So there's going to be a little bit of a comfort curve there as I get used to this new one. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Now, and you know, I'm pretty happy to see this one go because my wireless Office Tech one broke. I had to go back to a standard. So now I have a cable running through my desk, and y'all know I don't like that. And as you can see, this regular one, I like black products, guys. I like matte black, I like glossy black, and as you can see, this regular USB keyboard gets quite filthy, and I find myself on a regular couple of day basis, I find myself unplugging everything and giving it the wipe down, because I really don't like that. Everything's got to be neat, and everything's got to be in its place. So, yeah. But anyways, I really do like the fact that, you know, this seems to be a matted black. So I don't think this will get dirty as quickly. And the fact that this is all one piece, I don't think it will collect dust that badly. So this might be a nice little pickup here. Anyways, I believe that pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the 1byOne Bluetooth keyboard with integrated trackpad. Now, as always, guys, don't forget all links to where to purchase this will be down in the video description. So if you feel like you want to pick this up for yourself, please check out the video description. Links will be down below. If you enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, because you never really know what's going to happen when I push record. Whatever happens, happens. That's how we roll. Please hit the subscribe button down below so you get notified as soon as new videos become available on YouTube. And as always, guys, if you know anyone out there looking for some high quality performance devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and bring this to a close. I hope everyone has a good day, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.